The Delhi police have arrested a 47-year-old DRDO scientist in connection with the low-intensity explosion inside the Rohini court in New Delhi earlier this month, officials said on Saturday. The explosion that took place inside the courtroom number 102 on December 9th injured one person. The accused has been identified as Bharat Bhushan Kataria, a senior scientist with the Defense Research and Development Organization, according to sources. He was arrested on Friday. Kataria had planted the explosive in a tiffin box inside the courtroom as he wanted to kill his neighbor, who is an advocate, police said. According to Delhi Police Commissioner Rakesh Asthana, the accused entered the court at 9:33 a.m. on the day of the incident with two bags, one of which he left behind inside the courtroom. He slunk off the court premises at 10:35 a.m. Both the parties had lodged several cases against each other. They are neighbors and live in the same building. Prima facie, it seems Kataria had a grudge against the lawyer, said a senior police officer. Rakesh Asthana said the special cell team investigating the matter examined the 1,000 vehicles that came to the Rohini court that day and scanned footages from more than 100 CCTV cameras. The probe team also went through the hearings held that day and those who visited the court. Ammonium nitrate was used to prepare the explosive device. The material is easily available. Only the detonator exploded and the explosive did not, and it would have been a much larger explosion otherwise, the police said. The laptop bag in which the explosive was placed had the logo of a Mumbai-based firm that has a godown in Delhi, and the firm helped them with the probe, they added. Bomb-making materials have also been recovered from the residence of Kataria, who has been arrested. According to police, he entered the court in the guise of a lawyer and escaped after the blast. The investigation has found that Kataria and his neighbor and lawyer Amit Vasisht had an old dispute and had filed several cases against each other over several matters, including water supply. Police revealed Kataria allegedly planted the explosive at court to kill Mr. Vasisht, who was appearing in the court that day. It is now being probed how the accused managed to take explosive inside the court premises. Police have found that the accused bought the remote used to set off the bomb and some other material from the e-commerce website. It is now being investigated where he arranged the explosive from. News Desk, Kaumudy Global.